This is the third segment of the Routings training. In this video, you will learn about creating multiple outputs from a single input, known as a create route. You will also learn about rejoining those pieces in general assembly, known as an attach route, and look at examples of how both routes might be applied. A create route starts a new independent entity on a separate route. Use a create route when two or more parts of the same process occur in parallel. To use the create route, select the type dropdown and select create. Decide if you want the creation to happen before the current activity starts or after the activity finishes. Then select the new name dropdown and select the entity name for creation. A simple example comes from a car wash. After finishing the automated wash, a full-service customer pulls into a full-service bay and is escorted from the car to the waiting area. The vehicle then starts the interior cleaning and the exterior detailing process. The create route starts a new entity, allowing both paths to proceed in parallel. While the car is being cleaned, the cashier takes payment and attempts to upsell the customer. When a create occurs, it's like a baby being born. The new entity has a birth date and time. The original entity, or parent, continues. The new child entity is related to the parent, so they can be reunited later. The new entity must be named, and the name must belong to an entity on the layout. We seldom use create routes in isolation. Usually, a create route is combined with an attach route. The attach routes perform two main functions: to reattach previously created entities, or to join parts during assembly. In the previous car wash example, the customer pays and is seated in a waiting area. The customer remains in the waiting room until the car is complete. When completed, the attach route signals the matching customer to move forward and claim their car. Then, the customer is joined with the car and the parent entity moves to the next process step. The setting, attach to the entity that created it, ensures the customer matches with the proper car. If the car is not ready, the customer waits. If the customer is not ready, the car waits. After the attachment, the action logic and activity time happen. Many examples use the create and attach combination. Adventist Health used the create and attach to request blood work, and then wait for the return of the results before requesting the doctor to complete the diagnosis. Daimler Trucks use the create and attach in assembly stations. Create routes start multiple work assignments at the assembly station. The attach signals when each task is complete. When all attaches are complete, the truck can move to the next assembly area. Open the model titled Create and Attach. Follow the instructions on the model layout. If you have trouble completing the exercise, start by opening the model titled Create and Attach Completed. Section A allows you to set up both a create and attach route. First, set up the create route. The created entity must be selected from the new name drop-down list. Then, practice setting up the attach route. Change the attach to the entity that created it. Section B. Practice assembly of predefined parts. Thanks for watching this video segment on create and attach routes. If you need assistance, contact support at ProcessModel.com. For the fastest results, attach your model. And give us a clear description of the problem. Tell us what is happening versus what you want to happen. We usually respond within 10 minutes.